Hey solar friends, hey solar contractors, Daniel here from Scanifly, and I've got some exciting updates around solar maintenance. With the industry growing like it has, contractors and homeowners are facing thousands of systems that need maintenance. We know on the surface these issues seem like an inconvenience, a cost center because they often eat up time, resources, and of course, labor availability. But the good news for contractors is your service department could actually be a revenue driver. Property owners are typically interested in having someone care for their system. And let's be honest, when something breaks, you're getting the call. Now, with Scanifly technology, you can also do service in a fraction of the time. Here's how it works. Scanifly Maintenance, in case you haven't heard of it yet, it's a solar-specific maintenance report in our mobile app that helps contractors capture, annotate, and share maintenance data with their customers. Let's walk through this process a little bit here. So instead of crawling on the roof to find a problem, simply fly a thermal drone to identify the array's issues in under 5 minutes. Then use Scanifly's mobile app to collect data on the electrical equipment, wiring, structural facets, and any other aspects of the system health. Once all that data is gathered, upload it to your report, put a bow on it, and finalize your inspection by summarizing the visit and providing the recommendations for improvements in Scanifly Mobile. This can be shared with the homeowner or any related manufacturing, warranty, and insurance partner. On-site inspections and post-processing documentation can be cut down by up to 90% this way, and it's much safer and done with better quality than most current processes. We love helping contractors, and one of the reasons we're so excited about maintenance is there are so many ways to formalize your service department. You could consider a flat fee or package paid up front for annual health checkups. Homeowners are already conditioned to pay for service calls with their HVAC or boilers. Why not for solar? Or think of all the use cases for thermal inspection reports. They're super helpful after hailstorms, and for warranty or insurance claims. You can also conduct thermal scans to confirm that a project is fully energized before it is actually commissioned. Too often do system owners only contact solar contractors when something goes wrong. That rarely leads to referrals and selling more products. Now is a chance for you to build service departments to deliver additional value to homeowners in a quality-first way while growing revenue.
Start your free trial. Visit scanifly.com/maintenance to schedule a demo today.